What's up? So let me tell you people, because my blood is boiling, you understand? And before it to boil, let me just tell you, today's the 3rd of, today's 3rd, I mean. Yeah. Today's the 3rd of, what am I even asking you? Today's the 3rd of December, it's Saturday, and today's obviously my friend's wedding, Elo's wedding. And I invited an idiot, you understand? I told this girl, you will follow me. Say, no problem. Like, I die here. I can't reach now. Or happen, go meet man.
Who told you I went to meet man?
Shut up.
Who told you?
Shut up your mouth. And I'm doing this video as a receipt for our sister. I know she's going to watch this video. Just so you know, she no follow me. I don't know all this makeup where she wear, not me she follow. Okay?
But how?
Shut your
Okay, see, thing is, I kept telling her if, but have I not been telling you if? If I will be there.
Adam and if.
But have I not said?
I don't know. I don't know.
See, you're like.
I don't know because I don't understand.
I actually said if I will come, if I will come, if I will come. Now,
I asked you. This one you are using if. Did I ask you about now?
Okay, see, the thing is, I have a shoot today.
I have a shoot today.
Yes, I also have to go and meet Tricky T
today.
Now I need a call man.
Now man, you no get prick.
Jesus Christ.
Is he a woman?
It's the way you're putting it. Is that what?
I don't want to know, guys. You know they follow me go. I'm going by myself to the wedding. I'm going by myself. So I just say let me tell you people. The place I don't reach my bus stop.
Which of them? This or this one?
This one, I think it's here. It's okay.
Yeah.
Guys, I need to go. I just wanted to tell you that she came to see me, but she's not with me.
Go away.
Adia, mama.
Go away.
Okay, bye. Bye. God, this one don't for witchcraft. Principalities and powers. Guys, we are done with our friend's wedding. Sam,
you are blocking this thing.
The main person they want them to
we see the app. We just come block. See, we have scattered this room. Yeah. This room will miss us.
Yeah. But
we will not miss the room. I swear, we will not miss the room. But yeah, so let me. You people already know this witch.
Yeah. Yeah,
Crystal, Miss Agriculture,
Nigeria
2021. I know they follow nonsense.
Yes, baby.
Miss Green Hair, Miss Nigeria.
Oh my god.
So this,
hello guys.
This sweet girl, I don't even know how she's that witch's sister. That's her sister over there. Like that's it. You come like, you know, until you carry away the abandon from village. So this is her sister. This is Evie. She's really sweet, guys. Like
very sweet.
Very sweet. So not be like that one when they that place. Oh yeah, come. Bia. Bia, oh.
I know do again.
My love.
This is horrible. You're always stealing my face from me.
What exactly? You're doing something wrong.
You're not still finished. You people are taking me for granted.
Guys, we're leaving. So
it's my laptop that you're pushing and it's falling. You go bring down your YouTube oil and gas money. Maybe you buy another one. How the thing fell? I
saw. I don't know that laptop. We are leaving this hotel. We are moving. Not whenever they go Lagos.
Yeah,
so with this way.
Review about this hotel.
No, no one give them clout safe. I know they even mention their name. Is that bad?
Natural beauty. Natural beauty. Everything they find.
They know we're post scary. Natural ways. You should talk.
Hi guys.
See, lighting here is terrible. Everything is terrible here. So we're leaving. We're moving to our new apartment.
Yeah.
So when we get there, we'll go chop first for faith. Our Miss Agriculture cannot be hungry. It's not possible. We can't live. This life is just be hungry. Do you understand? Oh, by the way, guys, she's been the one driving us around. Like,
They've been so sweet. Like, actually, let me tell you something, guys. Actually, her car turned to a mini house.
I swear, our
That's
boxes, everything. We left everything.
I'm going to send you guys the rent at the end of the month
Parents
for staying in my car.
I swear, like,
It's not bad.
even when we were leaving at midnight, guys, like, she was what did they happen? You feel left out? Oh, yeah, come.
Show us in this
It's fine, I get it.
How much are you paying?
Even wear long skirt, be like sister. Idiot. Guys, I'll let you know when we get our new. This lighting here is terrible, guys. We'll never relax. See them. With blue nylon. Guys, we just transfer, I swear. And I love this mirror. It's really cute. And they look my small novice. But yeah, this place is better. I think I'm going to do like a tour. Yeah, I'll do a tour. Let me not show you people now. Just be little. Yeah, this is Miss Agriculture.
Yeah.
Miss
I've gone to
Agriculture.
my farm and I've harvested rice.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes, now. So that's what I made for people to eat now.
I was confused. But anyways, guys, I want to do like a tour. A house tour. This is an apartment, so I'll do like a tour of the apartment, and then whatever else I'll add it there. Okay. So guys, this is like the outer part of the apartment. Okay. Good. So when you get in, guys, this is like a lobby, just like a mini walkway, and then it has all of these curtains, and of course when you walk in, see person where they show me around, they chop. So show us around now. You have a plant here. These are live plants, actually, really cute.
Labiendi Vedanta House Apartments. Hosted by Karen Tusonaje. Come. Right here we have the kitchen space, the kitchenette. As you can see, I just made the local meals. The stir-fried rice, the mincemeat special fried rice, tuna pasta to go with the smoky jollof rice, stir-fried pasta with fried Titus fish, and a cup of natural fruit juice. Yes, I encourage you.
What do you have in your kitchen? Show us the facility.
Aside the basic, we know the normal washing machine, the sink, the plates, the cabinets, and spaces for mugs and cups.
Yeah.
We have the microwave and we have the oven, and right here we have the stove and the kitchen and the fridge. Sorry.
Nice.
Come. Perfect. Here we have a little dining section. It's actually meant for
Continue.
It's actually meant for couples. Actually, this space is just for.
So maybe we get out.
So we have more food in case we have guests.
Okay, this one, you know, cook this one.
But I know these people eat a lot, so I'm sure this food will disappear in a short while. So let's see.
I like your light, Oma.
Thank you so much. So we just arrived.
Yep.
We haven't even unboxed anything.
This mirror is you are forgetting this your mirror. This mirror, I'm sorry, we cannot miss this mirror for anything. Like, guys,
this is the powder room. So when you want to dress and go out, you come here, wear your clothes, do makeup, and then you go. It's called a powder room.
Sorry, powder room. We don't know one before, not this.
I know what's on the For the sake of this book. So we have the cozy bed. The ACs are on and working, as you can see. We have the bedside lamps.
There's a mirror here too, guys.
Because black is my favorite color, I had to invite a bit of black in everything. The wardrobe has...
How long it take you to build this your house?
Approximately 15 years. So, but by God's grace, we are here now.
Hallelujah,
So
somebody.
This is the restroom.
Wow. This is a restroom mad.
So we imported most of this equipment from...
And you did them in black. Wow. Very nice, very nice. We love it.
We imported this from Turkey actually to install. Then we got the vase from England. It was on...
It was on sales?
Was it? I got in England.
Okay.
On my last trip actually. It felt cute. Flowers. But Nigerian men don't know how to give flowers, so it's empty. So we have the master bedroom right over here.
Okay.
Only difference is the bigger space for the wardrobe and the bigger space.
So this entire space is the wardrobe. Wow.
Yes, this is the closet.
Wow, your closet. Wow. Your lights don't they work?
They work.
You don't speak pidgin. You don't speak pidgin. Wow. They speak pidgin in England.
So this is my room.
Oh.
As you can see, this is my diffuser, Casa Sense diffusers.
Nice.
So we also import to Abuja, especially this apartment needs to have a bit of Casa Sense in it. The blinds are a lot wider than the ones in the other rooms. Notice
And in black, yeah, notice.
The
Very
blind
nice.
is a lot bigger, but everything looks the same because we wanted to create an equal...
And there's a mirror, guys.
An equal opportunity.
There's a
I know you
mirror.
guys will be wondering why there's mirror everywhere. That's because I love mirrors. So it reminds me of who I am.
Chai. You dey shake now too. Eh?
I need to eat now.
Okay.
It was nice doing this store, by the way. My name is Karen, like I said, the CEO of Casa Sense, Casa Fashion, and the project manager. Thank you very much.
Ma, just introduce yourself.
Hi baby girls and baby boys.
Her name is Jane and she's a foodie. That's what it is.
My name is Jane, or you can call me Shandy or Jane Shandy. Follow me on Instagram, Jane Shandy. Jane, no underscore, just Jane Shandy.
Mad.
Oh, now wow.
Our daughter, yeah.
No.
That's
Where did you Shandy? Follow me on Instagram.
I'm a nutritionist. I cook, and I cook, and I love food.
mad. Oh.
So, take it guys.
Make the chop. The tour is over. Hunger knows no tribe, language, or gender. Yes, I'm sorry.
Guys, I'm tired. See, that's the best this girl could give you people. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this tour. No, you try. You try. Not the small work you do so. But yeah, guys, this apartment is really cute and it's in Wuse, by the way, if you're wondering. It's in Wuse. I don't know the name. Sorry. She said na Casa. What do you call her?
Casa. Meanwhile, Casa means carrying sought after. Carrying sauce for the breast.
Sorry, ma'am. But anyways, guys, this is really cute. And this is where we'll be staying till we go back. You know, we're both going back to Lagos. Her sister is going back to Asaba. And yeah, we're going to be here for the meantime. Okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. This was very short, but I wanted them to do it so that people can see them. Because I saw that you guys really liked her. She was on my live stream on my other channel and people really liked her, so I thought it would be nice to just bring more of her to you people because so she don't blow. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Foodie.
Bye. That's my name. Say bye. Bye, love. Bye, guys. Bye. I love you.
Bye, guys.